Hey, good afternoon. Mark Taylor here, Commercial Roofs of Texas. Tip of the week. We're going to talk a little bit about one of the things that we find frequently up on roofs that your roofer should be addressing, your HVAC personnel should be addressing, because it's going to wear your roof out prematurely. So let me flip the camera around and talk just briefly about what I found up here. So what we're looking at right here is a PVC line. This pipe is a PVC drain line for the air conditioners, the rooftop air conditioners. So as the air conditioners work, they pull the humidity out of the air inside, and that condensation builds up and it has to drain off the roof. And so one of the common problems we see is these wood blocks. Well, for one, they're cheap, so that's why they get used a lot. And the roofer has made a pad for that to sit on, but as you'll notice, this thing is flopping around. And what happens is those weren't secured, the wood wasn't secured to the pad, and so wind blows up here, we get bad weather, and the next thing you know, these wood blocks rot, they've come loose, and now what happens is, and you'll see it, you'll see right here, this little area right here where this wood block has rubbed the roofing membrane and caused damage to the roof. And so these things are important that they get fixed and they get installed properly. This is one of the few items that I can say without a doubt very seldom gets him. Oh, and then we got a little screw up here. We don't want that on the roof, but you'll see these blocks move around, so they need to be secured, and use a decent pipe stand to make that happen. So that's roof tip this week. If you have these on your roof and they're not secured, get someone up there to secure them.